Hey foodies, it's Crystal. Welcome back to my Gadget Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make this super easy 3-cheese baked macaroni and cheese. And the best part about it is you can make it any way you want. I'm just going to show you the basic steps. Now let's get started. First, you're going to add 2 tablespoons of salt to some boiling water, and you're going to cook 1 pound of macaroni until it's al dente. Next, you're going to shred 3 cheeses of your choice. I've got Colby Jack, mild cheddar, and mozzarella. You're going to need 4 8-ounce blocks. Now let's season up the cooked and drained macaroni. I've got 4 tablespoons of butter, some kosher salt, some black pepper, some ground mustard, some hot sauce in place of cayenne pepper, and some granulated garlic. Now you can season this any way you want. I switch up my seasonings all the time, but this is just to give you an idea if you've never done it before. Now I'm adding in 10 ounces of evaporated milk and 1 beaten egg. You can use heavy cream, regular milk, half and half, whatever. Now we're going to start adding in the cheese. In total, you want 3 blocks of cheese mixed in with your macaroni. So once you've got the cheese all mixed in, you're going to go ahead and transfer it to a 2.5 quart baking dish. And you're going to spread your pasta and cheese evenly in your baking dish, and then you're going to top it with that last block of shredded cheese. Now it's time to bake it. Alexa, preheat June oven to 350 degrees. Now here's what your macaroni and cheese will look like when it's all done baking. A nice cheesy crust on top and ooey gooey melted cheese in the middle. I promise you this is so cheesy and so delicious. I do highly recommend you give this a try. So good. So the only thing left to do is serve it up and eat it up. So what did you think of this easy macaroni? Well, if you liked it, please give me a thumbs up as it does help out my channel. And if you're here and you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and tap that button and click that bell so you know every time that I upload a new video. As always, thanks so much for watching, and remember, get out of that drive-thru and get into the kitchen. Bye!